Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock and protect Canva templates for flight delivery. So, go to canva.com and log into your account. Choose the design template that you want to deliver to your client. Probably an existing template. Click on it. Inside the editor, before locking anything, make sure your design is fully finished. This includes layout, colors, fonts, logos, and background element. Once everything looks good, you are ready to protect the template. The next step is clicking on the element you don't want the clients to move or change. This usually includes backgrounds, frames, shapes, logos, and layout guides. As you can see there, I've right-clicked on the element, then chose the lock option, meaning this element right here is now locked and cannot be moved or edited, except for the ones that I left unlocked. You can also select multiple elements at once and lock them together, which is perfect for full layouts or background section. Now, make sure you leave unlocked only view parts your client should edit. For example, the elements that I have left unlocked are the texts, which are this one, this, and this. Basically, it's usually the text boxes, photos, or placeholders meant for customization. This keeps your design structure safe while still giving clients flexibility. Once everything is blocked properly, click on the share button on the top right corner. Then choose template link right here. This is very important because it gives your client a copy of the design, not your original file. Click on create template link, copy it. So before sending this, open the link yourself to test it. There we go. Now let's click on edit template. We should make sure that the lock elements stay in place will work properly. So always keep a private master copy of your template, which is this one. Clearly label which areas clients are allowed to edit. You can also add a short instruction page inside the design. Let's say add a new page and write the instructions here so we can guide them. These small steps help avoid confusion and save you time. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.